Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the image. Save it to your device now so you can inspect its data. Once saved, open the file properties to view the format and file size because JPEG or HEIC usually contain metadata. Make sure you can see file extensions and hidden attributes on your operating system. This helps you confirm it's the original file rather than a screenshot. I'll show you where to look for embedded data next, and why screenshots typically remove location details. Now use an EXIF reader, either a trusted app on your phone or a desktop tool, to extract metadata from the saved file. Once opened, focus on GPS latitude and GPS longitude fields, plus timestamp and camera make. Those confirm where and when the photo was taken. If you see coordinates, copy them exactly. Decimal degrees are easiest for maps. If you find DMS format, convert or let the map app parse it. If metadata is missing, I'll explain why and the alternatives next. Paste the coordinates into any mapping app to see the exact spot, then switch to satellite or street view for context. Once done, verify timestamp against the sender's claim for consistency. If no GPS data exists, use a reverse image search to find similar images or ask the sender directly for the location. Many social apps strip EXIF when sharing. Make sure the file wasn't a screenshot or resaved by a platform, and if problems persist, request the original file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.